Hey folks, I'm going to give you a very quick crash course in using Lucidchart. So here you see we're already at the webpage lucidchart.com, and we're just going to go up here to log in. This is assuming you've already created your account. We'll give it our email address and password, and you should be taken to your home page for Lucidchart, which will look something like this. Now you can see here I already have some documents along the top. I could choose one of those and edit it, but what we're going to do is go to a new document. So say new, and we're going to go with document from template because we specifically want a network diagram. So click on network diagrams here. Otherwise you'll get flowcharts by default. Go over here to blank network diagram and open the template. This is going to take you to your first blank document, and it's going to have the networking icons ready to go for you. So you can see along the left here I have Cisco Basic, Cisco Extended. If I scroll down, ooh, that's a lot of Cisco stuff. We've got some general networking icons, electronics, things like that. So using Lucidchart is actually very straightforward. I'm going to stick here with Cisco Basic for right now because they have things I need like a PC, a laptop, a router. So if we just grab a PC, just grab it and drag it onto the document here, and there we go. There's a PC. We can grab another one, or maybe a laptop, and we can drag that over here as well. That's all you have to do so far. Now you can also copy and paste. So if I click on this and copy, paste, 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 you can see we can add as many of these as we want, and we can drag them all around the document. We can also just simply delete things. Now here's the other trick. What we want to use Lucidchart for is showing relationships between devices on a network. Let me grab a router here as well. So let's say that this desktop is connected to the router and this laptop is connected to the router. How do we show that relationship? Well, if we hover over, you'll see these 4 dots show up. If we hover over a dot, it changes color. Click and drag to the dot on another device, just like that. And now whenever we drag this, it stays connected. So we can organize these physically on the document however we want, and they will maintain this relationship. Now notice this arrow. This indicates one-way communication. The PC talks to the router, and the router does not talk back. So in fact, what we want to do is select this, and you can see at the top, here's the left side of the line, here's the right side of the line. We want to say none. We want to get rid of that arrow. Let's do the same thing with the laptop. We're going to hover over the dot, click and drag, and we'll drag over to here, and we'll say none on the arrows. There we go. And now whenever we drag this router, it stays connected. So those are the basics of adding icons to the document, connecting them to show relationships. The other thing that you'll need to know is the text box. So if you grab a text box right here, now we can label this. So we can call this Network 1, for instance. We would probably want to give it a better description than that overall. But if we were drawing our ring network here, we would put ring in the description. And that is the very brief crash course in how to use Lucidchart.